So today we will be discussing about Vapi for workflows. You can integrate in your applications for voice communications via calls or messaging. Down below in the navigation bar, you can find for App Marketplace, and so you can search for Vapi. It is. You have to install it first. After that, here it is. It's up to you want to install it on the agency or any of your specific location or multiple locations. So I'm choosing my location here and continue with that. Allow install. Here you can see it is successfully installed. Yeah. So after that, we will be moving forward towards our location. Here we are in the location. Down below in the navigation bar, you can find for Vapi, which you have already installed. Now you have to configure it. And for the API key, you have to set up your account for Vapi. Let me show you how to do it. Here we are in our Vapi account, and here you can see it is here, and you have to find the API keys. You have to copy there and paste it here for the configuration. Submit. Here you can see it is succeed. After that, we will be moving forward towards, we have to create a builder, a workflow basically. Start from scratch here. Here we are in the builder now, and we have to create an action. Click on it and find for Vapi. Here it is. These are the actions. These are the actions basically provided by the builder. We have to create an assistant. Yeah. So you can set up with the language and with the models. I'm just setting an example right now, so that's why I've chosen these. You can set according to yourself. Save this action. Create some notes with that. Find for Vapi for workflows, and you can choose the ID. Save this as well. Now we have to test flows. Choose any of your contact and head towards the execution logs. As you can see, that it is successfully executed. As you can see, it is successfully executed with the notes as well. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.